Hello guys, welcome back to the channel. In this today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how to use the sand sculpture base to make a sand sculpture in Heartopia. Okay, first, make sure you have already unlocked the sand sculpture hobby from Azure. And once you unlock the hobby, you will get a recipe to make this sand sculpture base. Once you make it on your workbench, you can place this item in your home. And remember, guys, that you can only use it once. If you want to make a sand sculpture, you need to craft this item first. Okay, and to use it, just click on this menu. And then we're going to click on this icon when the arrow is on the center. Okay, like this. Oh, all right. And we need to take a guess. If your guess is wrong, you'll still earn Hobby EXP, but you will get a failed sand sculpture instead. Okay, I'm going to select sitting frog. Oh, I'm correct. And then we can click on this hand icon, and then we'll get a sculpture. And you can go back to your inventory to check it. Hold on, guys. Alright, this is my sand sculpture, the frog sand sculpture. Okay guys, and that's how we can use the sand sculpture base in Heartopia. I hope this video will be useful for you. Thank you so much for watching and bye!